Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, open it. Now from this app you can learn all about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!